Mastering division, understanding and interpreting remainders. Hello, language learners and math enthusiasts. Today, we're taking a step forward on our English language learning journey, specifically under the umbrella of numbers and counting. We'll delve into an essential part of basic mathematical operations, division. And more specifically, we'll be tackling the concept of interpreting remainders in division word problems. Division, as we all know, is a mathematical operation that involves splitting a number, known as the dividend, into equal parts defined by another number, known as the divisor. Sometimes, we might not be able to split the number equally, and that's when we encounter a remainder. An easy way to understand this is by imagining you have 10 apples, and you want to distribute them evenly among 3 friends. Each friend would get 3 apples, but you would still have 1 apple left. In this case, 1 is the remainder. When we come across division word problems in real-life scenarios, understanding what the remainder represents is crucial. It can mean different things depending on the context of the problem. For instance, consider a problem where you need to distribute 15 books among 4 students equally. You can give each student 3 books, but there will be 3 books left. In this context, the remainder, 3, represents the number of books left over after distribution. Remainders can be dealt with in various ways depending on the context of the problem. 1. Ignore the remainder. Sometimes, the remainder does not affect the final answer and can be ignored. For example, if you are dividing cookies among friends and there's 1 cookie left, you might just eat it. 2. Round up. In situations where you can't have half of something, you might need to round up. For example, if 7 people are traveling and a car can take only 4 people, you would need 2 cars. Even though 7 divided by 4 is 1 remainder 3, you can't leave the remaining 3 people behind. You'll need an extra car, so you'd round up the answer to 2. 3. Fraction or decimal. If precise division matters, the remainder can be expressed as a fraction or a decimal. For example, if you have $15 to split between 4 people, each person would get $3.75. That's all for today's session, folks. We hope this video has helped you understand how to interpret remainders in division word problems, a key concept in basic mathematical operations. Remember, practice is key in mastering this, so keep working on those division problems. Until next time, keep learning and growing.